Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is another quick look at a new feature that will be in version 2004, the next version of Windows 10. If you are a gamer, or if you're simply a tech enthusiast and are interested in knowing intricate details of your computer, like the GPU temperature, well, that is a new feature added in the next version of Windows 10 in the Task Manager. So this laptop is a gaming laptop. It has two GPUs, two graphics processors. If you right-click on the taskbar and go into Task Manager, simply go then to Performance and click, of course, on your GPU. You will see that the temperature is now in here. So GPU temperature right now, 39 Celsius. So this is, of course, dependent on the fact that your GPU has a thermal sensor. Not all of them do, but most high-end GPUs or higher-end GPUs do. For example, here there's none on my Intel GPU. It's kind of intricately, related to the CPU because they are on the same chip, basically. Maybe they should put a CPU temperature gauge. So here, you just choose your graphics processor and look at the temperature. It's now available in the Task Manager. It's nice because one of the things that I hate in computers very often is, you got to install all of these utilities to see all sorts of different things. So if you wanted to see the temperature of your GPU, you had to install third-party utilities, or this is an Acer Nitro 5, so there's a thing called Nitro Sense that gives you all the details. But it's always extra software. Here it's cool to just, bring up the Task Manager that's already part of Windows and actually see your GPU temperature directly. So that's kind of a nice feature coming up in the next version of Windows 10 in April 2020. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.